Welcome to our exploration of the 10 best cities to visit in Greece. From the ancient marvels of Athens to the coastal beauty of Thessaloniki, we'll be highlighting the top destinations that showcase Greece's diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Join us as we delve into the iconic attractions of each city, from the historic streets of Patras to the picturesque charm of Rethymno. Whether you're drawn to the ancient ruins, bustling city life, or scenic coastal views, these cities offer something for every traveler. So come along as we uncover the best that Greece has to offer in its most captivating cities. Before we dive into the number one city on our list, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and destination highlights. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Now, let's discover the top city you won't want to miss when visiting Greece. Number 1. Athens. In the heart of Greece lies Athens, a city brimming with ancient wonders and modern marvels. As the capital and largest city, Athens effortlessly blends its rich history with contemporary flair. Visitors are captivated by iconic landmarks like the Acropolis, home to the majestic Parthenon, symbolizing the birth of democracy and Western civilization. Explore the winding streets of Plaka, where vibrant tavernas and charming boutiques await. Immerse yourself in culture at the National Archaeological Museum, showcasing treasures from across the ages. With its warm Mediterranean climate and unparalleled hospitality, Athens beckons travelers to experience its timeless allure. 2. Thessaloniki. Nestled on the shores of the Thermaic Gulf, Thessaloniki exudes a captivating blend of history, culture, and modernity. As Greece's second-largest city, it boasts a rich tapestry of Byzantine, Ottoman, and Roman influences. Wander through the historic streets of the Old Town, where ancient ruins and medieval architecture intertwine. Discover the White Tower, an iconic symbol of the city's past, offering panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. Indulge in culinary delights at the bustling Modiano market, brimming with fresh produce and local delicacies. With its vibrant art scene, lively waterfront, and welcoming atmosphere, Thessaloniki invites visitors to explore its unique charm and timeless allure. 3. Chania. Nestled along the picturesque shores of Crete, Chania enchants visitors with its timeless beauty and rich history. Steeped in Venetian and Ottoman influences, this charming port city boasts a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern allure. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Old Town, where colorful buildings and quaint alleyways evoke a sense of bygone eras. Explore the majestic Venetian harbor, adorned with historic lighthouses and bustling waterfront tavernas. Immerse yourself in culture at the Archaeological Museum, showcasing treasures from Minoan to Roman times. With its warm Mediterranean climate and breathtaking scenery, Chania offers a truly unforgettable experience for travelers seeking authentic Greek hospitality. 4. Nafplio, nestled along the sun-kissed shores of the Argolic Gulf, captivates visitors with its enchanting beauty and rich history. Once the first capital of modern Greece, this charming seaside town exudes a timeless allure, blending Venetian, Ottoman, and Greek influences. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, adorned with neoclassical mansions and colorful bougainvillea. Explore the imposing Palamidi Fortress, offering panoramic views of the shimmering Aegean Sea and the surrounding countryside. Delight in fresh seafood at waterfront tavernas, or stroll along the scenic promenade of Arvanitia Beach. With its romantic ambience and cultural treasures, Nafplio invites travelers to experience its unforgettable charm. 5. Rhodes Town, perched on the northeastern coast of the eponymous island, mesmerizes visitors with its blend of ancient history and cosmopolitan flair. Enclosed within medieval walls, the Old Town transports visitors back in time with its cobblestone streets, Byzantine churches, and Ottoman-era mosques. Explore the iconic Palace of the Grand Master, a testament to the island's rich past as a stronghold of the Knights of St. John. Wander through the bustling Mandraki harbor, flanked by majestic windmills and the legendary Colossus of Rhodes. Indulge in culinary delights at lively tavernas or relax on pristine beaches framed by turquoise waters. With its timeless charm and vibrant energy, Rhodes Town offers an unforgettable Mediterranean experience. 6. Patras. Situated on the northern coast of the Peloponnese Peninsula, Patras beckons travelers with its blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and stunning coastal vistas. As Greece's third-largest city, it boasts a rich tapestry of influences from Byzantine, Venetian, and Ottoman eras. Explore the historic streets of the Old Town, adorned with neoclassical buildings and charming squares. Admire the iconic Roman Odeon, a testament to the city's ancient past. Marvel at the imposing Castle of Patras, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Delight in the city's lively atmosphere, bustling markets, and diverse culinary scene. With its warm hospitality and scenic beauty, Patras offers an authentic Greek experience. 7. Rethymno. Nestled on the northern coast of Crete, Rethymno enchants visitors with its blend of Venetian charm, Ottoman influence, and Greek hospitality. The Old Town is a labyrinth of narrow streets adorned with elegant Venetian mansions, Byzantine churches, and colorful bougainvillea. Explore the imposing Fortezza, a 16th-century Venetian fortress offering panoramic views of the city and the sea. Stroll along the picturesque Venetian harbor, lined with waterfront tavernas and charming cafes. Relax on the golden sands of Rethymno Beach, framed by crystal-clear waters and rugged cliffs. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty, Rethymno offers a truly unforgettable experience for travelers. 8. Kavala. Perched on the northern Aegean coast, Kavala exudes a captivating blend of ancient history, Ottoman heritage, and scenic beauty. Explore the winding streets of the Old Town, where Byzantine walls and Ottoman mosques coexist alongside neoclassical buildings. Ascend to the medieval Kavala Castle for panoramic views of the city and the sea. Discover the historic Imaret, a former Ottoman seminary turned into a luxurious hotel and cultural center. Wander through the vibrant municipal market, brimming with local produce and culinary delights. Relax on the sandy beaches of Batis and Kalamitsa, or embark on a boat tour to nearby Thasos Island. With its rich tapestry of culture and natural wonders, Kavala offers an unforgettable Greek experience. 9. Corfu Town, nestled on the picturesque island of Corfu in the Ionian Sea, is a captivating blend of Venetian, French, and British influences. Its UNESCO-listed Old Town is a maze of narrow cobblestone streets adorned with elegant Venetian mansions, Byzantine churches, and French-style arcades. Explore the imposing old fortress, offering panoramic views of the city and the sea. Admire the iconic Liston Promenade, reminiscent of Parisian boulevards, lined with charming cafes and chic boutiques. Delight in the vibrant atmosphere of the Spianata Square, the largest square in Greece. With its rich history, architectural beauty, and cosmopolitan ambiance, Corfu Town enchants visitors with its timeless allure. 10. Kalambaka, located in central Greece, nestles beneath the towering cliffs of Meteora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its monasteries perched precariously atop rock pillars. The town serves as the gateway to this awe-inspiring natural wonder, attracting visitors worldwide for its spiritual and architectural marvels. Its name, meaning mighty fortress, reflects its historical significance as a stronghold during various periods of Greek history. Today, Kalambaka boasts a charming blend of tradition and modernity, with bustling markets, quaint cafes, and welcoming locals. Visitors can explore ancient ruins, hike amidst breathtaking landscapes, or simply bask in the tranquility of this enchanting destination.